sleeping yet? Cleaning himself? Where's Mario? Symin! Where's Mario? Oh, look at Maestro. Stretching. Where's Mario? Mario! Mario's home! There's Mario! Mario's home! He's looking up at the window. Mario's home! Mario! Oh, you looking for Mario's truck? Mario's home! Where is he? Where's Mario? He hears a bird. Where's Mario? Mario! Mario! Oh, yeah, you're looking over the other window, eh? Mario! Mario's home! Oh, shit. Mario! Where's Mario? Hi, baby. Oh, you almost fell. Hello, where's Mario? There's Mario. There's Mario. There he is right there, silly.
Symin, I'm here.
There's Mario.
Symin, I'm here.
Yes.
Oh, come here, Symin. Come here. I'm right here. Yeah, I'm here. How you doing, Symin? Oh, oh, what a good boy. A good puppy. What a good puppy. Yeah. Oh, oh, what a good puppy you are. He's so happy. He's so excited to see me. You didn't even know I was here, Symin? Hey? What a good boy. Okay, go back on the roast by the fireplace. What a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy you are. Yeah, you are such a good boy. Aw. What a good boy you are. What a good boy. What's your name?
Dance is finished. Original dance today. Free dance tomorrow night. Tessa Virtue and Scott Moyer still have to skate tonight.